Hello everybody, I am Anjali and welcome again to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to convert men's shirt into a cute little top. So this is really easy to make, so let's get started. So this is the men's shirt that I have and I'm going to convert this into a cute little top. So first I'm going to place my top and then mark the marking of the sleeves and then the fittings. So just fold the sleeves part and take the armhole curve measurement like this and then give the side fittings. Now here I have this measurement. Now I'm going to decide the length of my top. So this top will be in two pieces. So for the upper part I'm going to take 14-inch long fabrics. I'm going to take half an inch extra for the seam allowance. So here I'm cutting 14.5-inch long shirt. Now I'm going to cut this out. So first I'm going to cut the armhole measurement and then from the side fittings I'm taking 1.5 or 1 inch extra fabric. Now I will cut this from the bottom. Now the another side. So first you have to decide the total length of your top and then minus the upper part. So here I have 14-inch long upper part. Now I'm going to cut the bottom part of my top. Here you can see 22-inch long will be the total length of my top. So from 22-inch I'm going to minus 14-inch. And here I have this 9-inch long fabric for the back side, and for the front side I'm taking 7 inches because for the front side I'm going to take 2-inch short fabric and my back side will be 9-inch. So here I'm marking 7-inch of marking and then I'm making this line. So first I'll cut the side part. Now I will cut the front part of my shirt, that is 7-inch long. Cut the side part from another side also. So this is the front part of my shirt. And now I'm going to cut the back side of my shirt. So for that I have taken 9-inch. If you want, you can take the similar length for front and back. But here I am taking 9-inch for the back side and 7-inch for the front side. Now I will cut it. So here my back side panel is also ready. So this will come here and this will be here like this. Now when you will cut this, you will get this extra fabric from the downside. So here I am going to adjust these two fabrics here and I'm going to attach it here to the front panels. So first I'm going to take out this part and now I'm going to attach it with a stitch. So I'll give a stitch here, but before that I will cut this fabric. So I will measure it according to the panels that I have for the front side and I'll cut the extra fabric and now I'm going to give the stitch. Similarly I will adjust here also, this panel. So here my panels are ready and I've got this long panel for the front side and this is the back side. So first I'm going to attach the back side. So here at the middle I'm going to give a small little box pleat. So this is the right part of my shirt and this is the right part of my panel facing both the right sides together. I'm going to join it, but first I'm going to take the middle part of the shirt and I will mark a point here like this. Now from this line I'll take 1 inch here and 1 inch here, both the sides. And now I'll take my panel, I'll leave around half an inch of fabric to the shirt and then I will start giving the stitch straight till this line. And from another side also I will leave half an inch, and then I'll give straight stitch till this line, and I'll leave this center part. And here at the center part I'm going to give box pleat, so I will make small little box pleat here and then pin this, and from the front side it will look like this. I will get this box pleat. So here I'm giving stitch till this line. Now from the another side also again I'm giving stitch again till that line. I will lock the stitch here. Now in this center part I'm giving this box pleat, and I am giving the stitch here. So here my stitch is done and it is looking like this. So here my back side is done. Now I am going to complete the front part. So this is the front part, and here I am going to attach these two panels like this. So facing both the right sides together I will give the pleats. So I'm going to give small little pleats here. So just leave that center part where we attach our buttons, and then from the sides start giving the pleats like here I'm giving, and make sure all your pleats have same amount of distance. Now pin this and then give a stitch from the right side. It will look like this. Similarly we will give pleats to the another side also, and then the side fittings. So here I'm giving stitch to the pleats. Here my stitch is done. Here you can see my pleats are done and it's looking like this. Similarly I will complete the another side also. Here my both the parts are done. Now we are going to give small little folds to the bottom part of my shirt, and then I'll give a stitch like this. So here you can see I am giving two small little folds to the bottom part of my shirt, and then I'm giving the stitch. So just complete the bottom part. Here my bottom part is done. Now we are going to give the side fittings. So according to your measurement give the stitch and complete your fittings. From another side also I'm giving the stitch. So here my side fittings are done. Now when you will give the fittings you will get this extra fabric from the back side of the panel. So what you can do is you can just fold it, like this is the extra part. Here you can see this is this extra fabric at the time of stitching that we were giving. So I'm going to give a stitch here so that it will not come out while wearing the top. Now here you can see it is looking like this. Now we are going to complete our sleeves. So place both the sleeves on each other like this. Now decide your length. So I want 12 inch. So I'm taking 2 inch extra, that means 14 inch, and then I'll make a line here and I'll cut this. So this is the sleeves for my shirt. So now I'm going to measure the armhole part. I'm taking half an inch of gap and then I will measure this. So mine is 8 inch till the fitting part, from where we have started the stitch for the fitting. So till there I have to measure it. Now here at the sleeves also I'll measure 8 inch and I will mark here. Now I'm going to mark the measurement of my sleeves fitting, and then I'll give 1 inch of gap for the cutting. Now I will join these 2 points. And here I'm giving 1.5 inch of gap for the cutting. Here you can see. Now just cut this out. So here my sleeves are ready for the armhole. So now I'm going to attach this to the armhole. So first I'm going to open this stitch that we have given for the fitting. So I'm going to take out around 1 inch down stitch so that it will be easy for me to attach my sleeves here. So take the right side of your top and right side of your sleeves, facing both the right sides together. I'm going to attach it. So first I'm going to give a center notch here. Now I will match this notch to the center part of the shoulder here, like this. Match the notch and the center part of your shoulder and pin this. And now we are going to give stitch here. So first pin this. This will make your work easy. So here I am giving this stitch now. So here my stitch is done from the wrong side of the fabric, and from the right side it's looking like this. So here I have given the marking for my fittings. So I will join this fittings to the sleeves. Now I will give this stitch. So first I'm going to complete the bottom part of my sleeves and then I'll give side stitch of the sleeves. First give the stitch to the bottom part of your sleeves with 2 little folds, and then give side fittings of your sleeves and take this stitch to the shirt fitting, to your bodice fitting. And to the another side also I'm giving the same stitch. Here my stitch is done. Now I have this strip from the sleeves. So mostly in the men's shirt we have this kind of strip for the button at the right side of your shirt. So I am not going to cut it out. I will take it to the right side and then I'll give a stitch here, and you can put some decorative buttons here. So here my fittings are done. Now just open this stitch that we have given to the sleeves and the bodice part. Just open it till the fitting part, because you will face some difficulties when you will turn it to the right side. So to avoid that, just open that stitch till the fitting part. So it will be easy for you to turn it to the right side. So this is the overall look of my shirt. You can see it was so easy to convert your men's shirt into this kind of cute little top. This is looking really beautiful. I hope you liked this video, and if you liked it, then please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on my Instagram handle also. All the links are below in the description box. I post really beautiful stories and post about my sewing projects, so you will have a good time here. So please go and follow me on my Instagram. I will see you in my next tutorial. Till then, bye bye and take care.